Hey guys, Trev from 4x4. I'm at the Southern Ocean Tourist Park down in Beachport in South Australia. We're going to hit the sand today. It's going to be a good day. It's raining, it's overcast, it's blowy, but you make the best of what you got. I want to try and get this video done because it is raining, but I want to have a quick talk about TIEGEAR. These fantastic guy ropes. We love them. Who's got a rope bag or a peg bag like this with just a massive tangle? Don't need to do that anymore. So with TIEGEAR, they have a fantastic, I guess, really compact way of doing your guy ropes. I'm going to do a quick demo of how I'm using it on my Darchi 270 hooked up to our camper. So the first thing we do with this is we hook it onto the tag on the awning, and then the beauty of this, you just pull it out, comes out of the bag. Down. I've already got a peg here somewhere. Now I'm going to use the small bungee. There is a big bungee and a small bungee. So I'm going to use the small bungee after the awning. The benefit of the small bungee, or even the big bungee, is if there's a heavy wind or whatever, it'll stop the awning from lifting the peg out. So the ground's fairly soft. I didn't bring a hammer over with me, but there we go. Now, to tension this up, all we do is pull the rope down, hold the little steel, and that can push back into the bag nice and easy. But you can see here I'm changing over all of my guy ropes to this because it's simple, it's compact, no tangles. You can see how quickly I hooked on a guy rope just then onto our Darchi 270. So yeah, this is a great little idea. We sell them at our shop. They're really popular. Like I said, we do the guy ropes, we do the large bungee and the small bungee for bigger application, and really good no-brainer idea for your camping gear. Anyway, before it really pisses down rain, this is Trev from 4x4 in Werribee. TIEGEAR, have a look at it. Good little business out of Adelaide.